Hi guys, here's a quick and easy tutorial on how you can do fake burns at home. So I'm going to be starting off with some liquid latex. I'm taking a little at a time because I don't want to waste it, and it does dry up the moment you bring it out of the bottle. I am dabbing a little on my palm. I'm going to be doing a very thin layer because thin layers are easy to peel off. And do you remember way back in school we used to do this with glue? Fevicol was what we had at that time. This is the same phenomenon. Go in the curves and the sides of your hand, the middle of the fingers. Just a dabbing motion and a very thin layer. So I'm dragging it onto my wrist as well because I want it to look a little bit more natural. This is how it looks when it's completely dried off. Pretty transparent. I'm going in with a very thin second layer, but I will be using a little more latex on areas where I want to create blisters. You see what I'm talking about, right? On the wrist, on the sides of my palm, on the ring finger, a little bit on that side. These are areas I want to have blisters. So I'm going in with a little thicker layer. Now, like I always say, there's no right or wrong. It's solely based on how you imagine it. Have a reference picture for an easy application of the latex. Now here I'm just dusting off some loose powder because, again, latex will stick to itself. We do not want that. I'm just dusting off a little bit of it. This is the Essence Cosmetics loose powder. This will also ensure that the shine of the latex goes away, and we don't want that shine to show through. This looks pretty nice to me at this point. I am using a tweezer and I'm just going to be pinching and pulling. See, here we applied a little bit more latex, so I'm going to be making my pass, yeah, just like that. Pinch and pull. Looks like I'm scraping something off here, but I'm just making it look a little irregular, and I don't want to have blisters there, but the skin needs to look like it's been peeled off from my palm. That's what I'm trying to make here. I'm just dragging the latex layer to one side, trying to give it a look that shows that the skin's been pulled up onto one side. If I'm making any sense, that is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. Scraping off this side as well. Just go wild with your imagination, pinch and pull wherever you feel like, and just create some fake blisters. But make sure you don't pull out a lot of it, then the entire thing will just come off and it wouldn't look nice. Yeah, I'm keeping the hole here beside my thumb smaller than the other ones because I want to have pus in it. Just push it to one side, just like that. The three main colors I've used here are red, purple, and yellow. Unfortunately, I forgot to put in some black, but yeah, these are the colors I'm using and there's no right or wrong here. I'm just coloring the insides and the blisters red first. Going in with a thicker brush, and I'm just tapping it on the blisters to give the sides a reddish irritated look as well. Like I said before, try to have a reference picture with you when you're doing something something like this. It'll just help you understand where to put which color. Unfortunately, I did not have a reference picture. This was all from my brain. I am using some yellow as well. This is Vaseline, and it's best if you have something like a kid's injection set, you can just pull it in and then push it out into the blister rather than making a mess like I am. I'm trying to just get the Vaseline inside the blister to make it look like pus. That's quite impossible the way I'm showing it. Here, I think I am going in with some yellow. I'm using my fingers as well. This is best done with alcohol-based colors. I don't have them, so I just used eyeshadow. Again, go in with a thinner, with a fine brush for details. And don't forget the skin. You have to have some sort of irritated look on the skin, outside. I mean, like on the outside of the blisters. This is aloe vera gel. I'm using it just to make the blisters look more watery. You can always color your burns however you want it to be. Like, burns don't look the same for everybody, right? It's different for how you got the burn. This is fake blood. It literally says fake blood. My god, there's nothing else written on the tube. With the corner of this is not a sponge, I don't know what's it called. It came in with a set. I'm trying to put the blood on one side of the blister only to make it look like the skin has peeled off pretty bad, and that's what caused the bleeding. You can always remove extra blood using tissue. If you see the middle of the palm looks pretty yellow, whereas the fingers have an irritated red look. Here's a close-up for you, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm pretty sure with practice I'm going to be better at making burns, but yeah, this was my first try. What do you think about it? I think the blood could have been toned down a little bit. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great day. Bye bye. I'll see you in my next video. Take care.